So it sounds like there's a lot more building going on. I mean, it's always that build versus buy aspect of, where how do we get to the next place the fastest and most cost effective way. So what are you seeing around that, or what are you recommending, even not just for the end user tools, but for the components as well?
Yeah, build versus buy is still a conversation that we're having with people. In fact,
I'm sure.
TechSoft, we provide both. We provide the tools that allow you to build, and then we've built some tools on top of those components that you can also just buy off the shelf. Um, Time to market is one of them. Uh, for simple needs, buying something off the shelf just makes sense because you have an economy of scale. You don't have to maintain it. It's been proven in the market. Uh, and so we certainly see a lot of people doing that. At the same time, when you have a very specific need that might not be serviced by an existing piece of software, you're going to have to build it yourself. Um, or if you have a specific workflow that you consider your own intellectual property, that makes the way in which you manufacture something, your data infrastructure, the way you work with your data or mine it or use it, that you want to keep to yourself. And so building that workflow out for yourself that allows you to create product faster, get to market faster, test and maintain, it also would make sense to build and keep that intellectual property in-house.